Hello again. Finally we got something else rather than a controller. Okay, now we have a smart plug. This is mine and decided to go bad exactly when I need it, of course. So, first of all, let's see what's the problem with it. So let's plug it in a strip. Yeah. And you can already hear it. Ah, that's all it does. No light, no nothing. Just click, 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 click. And imagine having that one connected and all your stuff going click, 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 on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off. Good thing I caught it in time before it blew up everything I got on it. Alright, so I think the worst with this one will be to open it up. What I suspect on this, by the sounds of it, are capacitors. So I'm guessing its capacitor went bad. So let's take it to pieces and see. It has a hidden screw here. I didn't open it up yet, but I felt it. Okay, looks like a normal one. Phillips. Let's see if this head is good. Yeah, that's the one. One off. Now let's check. I'll be surprised this one to come up easily. It's another fast forward for sure. So it looks like he has those clips. Yeah, see the clips here? So pretty much you need to move this one out to come across the clips. Probably will break most of them, I guess. But as I said, as long as it's not completely destroyed and I can use it, I'm good with that. And we're in. And we still have clips left. And well, see, those pins are gone. One here is gone, but we got another one. But in the front here, pretty alright. Alright. So, time for, you know what? Don't do this at home. 220 high voltage. This part here kills you. So don't. Just don't. I'm guessing this is a high voltage one also. I'll find out later. And this is the low voltage side. On this side, I guess. We'll know better when we take it out. Any capacitor that you can see on a high voltage, it can hold a charge. Depends on the size of the capacitor, from it will pinch you to will kill you. So if you didn't done this before, or you're starting doing it, don't start with high voltage, don't start with mains. Start with something that is under 30 volts. Up to 50 it's okay, but beyond 50 you're not in the safe side. So don't start with something like that if you didn't done it before. That being said, let's go on and take it out. I think we already have a winner here, although not too bad. But if you see, this one looks a tiny bit popping out. I don't know if you can tell, but it's not as flat as the other ones. So I would check that one first. But first of all, let's see if we have some voltage in there, because I don't feel like pinching me. The size of this one is pinching, no killing, but yet again, don't want to. So that's 3 volts. That is on the lower side for sure, so I don't care. 2.7 there. Right, so this is the Wi-Fi module there. Let's see if we can tell what CPU it has. Realtek. A7110. Alright. I'm just gonna discharge the capacitors as they are and start testing them in circuit to see if it's one that is far off. I'm doing it like that because I know already that we don't have much in the capacitor. So 1, 2, 3 capacitors, not bad. Let's try with the one that I said it looks a bit funny, the 10 volts, 470. So 10 volts, 470. Let's discharge it again. Uh-oh. I told you that thing is bulged. 22 micro. And supposedly is 470. You can tell a bit here. So 470, yeah? And what we got is 22. So for 400 end up with 22. Right. Okay, you may say it's in circuit. Well, yeah, you expect to have more, not less. Now let's take it out and measure it out, yeah? So the minus is towards the relay. Right. So it's off. Time to measure. So we're looking at what happened there. Ah no, that's the glue. It was glue there on the side. So looking at 470, yeah? So let's see what we got left out of it. Ta-da! 25 micro. So 25 left out of 470. So bye bye. Gone. And if you see, being small is not much, but it's not flat. I don't know if you can tell. It's not flat. Alright, so time to find a 470. Hopefully, see? Hopefully at 105. It will resist more. Ah, yeah. Look, you can tell now here. It's blown up. Yeah. For a second I didn't saw it, yeah? Look here. Yeah? Blown up. So this one blew up, literally. Yeah. Alright. Alright, time to use the box. Of course, I'm not ordering a capacitor for that thing, yeah? No way. And I'm not putting audio grade on a plug. So we don't even look at that, even if they are 470 there. Size, I think we can fit anything in it. 470 or 16. But when I'm doing it like that, it means it's not too good. It doesn't measure too good. Thousand 100 10 volts 470. Well, you see, this is probably not good if I put it like that. 360 and 0.4 ohms. $105. This is rated at 105. Let's measure it. Still the pins are torn sideways, so it means it's not a good reading when I checked it last time. I know this is quite good. 410 with 155 millions, 155 millions. So it's around 15%, I guess, off. I think they should do. Alright, I'll take my stuff out. Okay. It looks like it will fit in there. But let's clean a bit this glue. The minus I set towards the relay. Yep, it will fit. So let's clean those. Yep, it looks good. Wasn't quite easy because it was quite small and the legs are small, holes are small. But it's in. So let's clean up a bit in there. And it looks good. On the other side. Yep. Okay. Let's clean up a bit in here. Okay. We're good for some live testing. Yet again, don't do that. If you don't know how to, I will turn this one off from here and unplug it from the other plug. Yeah, and I'll plug this one in. So yet again, do not do this one while you're live. You put your hands here, bye bye. Alright, so let's plug it in and flip the button, look away, and I got light. We got light. Look at that. We got light. And it's not clicking. And let me get my phone, because I have the app for this one on the phone. Alright, I got my phone with the app. Hear it. Click, it's on. Click, it's off. You can hear the relay and you can see the light. Yeah, on. So it's fixed, which is very good because I really needed this. I didn't want it to buy another and set it up and all stuff. No, I want it to work. Alright, now let's put it back together. So if you want to be sure that will last for longer, you need to replace this one, and this one also. But I'm not gonna do this. And be careful with this one, for example, you see? On it, 400 volts there. So this is on the mains. So these two capacitors here, this one and this one, are on the mains. So all the voltage, and when you're touching, do not touch this one, yeah? Let's see how much it still has now that I unplug it. Not much, it has 3 volts. 9 volts actually. And dropping. But when you just unplug it, be careful not to touch them. Yeah? And always look for big ones and look at the value of the voltage. I mean, see, this one is 50 volts. It's not gonna have 50, we're gonna have like 15, 20, 25, 30. But this one is 400. You see in there, 400. Same with this one. See, 400. There, 400. 400. So those are on the main. Because it goes from here, bridge rectifier here. Then it goes on this one. As probably this is the microcontroller that controls it. I mean, controls the power supply part. Everything else is on this side. Anyway, let's put it back together. To keep it more close together. Right. So, it's fixed. Let's try it one more time to make sure it works. And then I'll put it back in service. Okay, after a quick cleaning, let's put it back and see if it still works. Let's get it up and see. Okay, it works better if we turn it on. Yeah, from the plug. Okay, let's wait to connect. And you can hear it. Yeah. Right. So here it is. Blown up capacitor took down my plug. So now it's all fixed and we'll be back working. Alright. Well, now see you on the next one. Thank you.